Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is about how to make this beautiful newspaper doll. So I will show you how to make this beautiful doll with her purse, and also I will show you the hat. Isn't it very cute and pretty? So let's get started. For this we need some masking tape, tissue papers, any wooden stick, scissors, liquid glue, some newspapers, any A4 size base Xerox paper, some acrylic colors, and one 4-number round brush. First I am taking this piece of newspaper which measures 55 cm by 9 cm, and I am taking one stick for making one roll out of this paper strip. So just roll this paper, secure the end and remove your stick from back side. In the same way I am taking one more pipe. Fold these two pipes in half like this. Now take one more pipe and I will wrap this bundle of pipe using this third pipe. So just add glue and start wrapping around this till the end. Now secure the end. So the base of doll is ready. Now I am taking one strip and wrapping this around only on the top portion. Here I am making the face of the doll. So just wrap the strip on top part. Add another pipe to this and wrap some more loops around this till the desired size. So the face part is done. Now I am taking some masking tape and wrapping this around the neck area to make it smooth, and also I will wrap on the face. So it's done. Now I will connect the hands. So I am taking one pipe, folding this in half and wrap the masking tape around this till the end. If you don't have masking tape, you can also wrap paper strips around this. So it's done. Now I will connect the hands with the doll. So I am taking here half pipe, and we need total 4 half pipe bunch for left side and 4 half pipe bunch for right side. So first take 4 pipe and fold this in half. Now I will connect this bunch on left side of the doll like this by overlapping on her hand. Now I am again taking the masking tape and wrapping around this to secure it. Now take other bundle and fold again this in half and wrap on right side. like this. Now again take some masking tape and secure it. You can also use normal tape if you don't have masking tape. So it's done. Now I'm taking one more pipe and just wrapping to make her dress around the chest area of the doll. So continue this till the waist part. I am wrapping some more pipes. Now I am just crisscrossing the remaining pipe around her neck to create the pattern of the top. Secure it by adding little glue. Like this. Now I am taking one waste Xerox paper. This is A4 size paper and creating a semicircle using 14 cm radius. Like this. Now I will cut this semicircle using my scissor. And making one cone out of this. It will be the base of the skirt for the doll's dress. Secure the end so cone is ready. Now I will cut the upper part little bit so that we can insert the doll's upper body through this. So just wrap little tape on the lower part so that we can insert it easily. Like this. So this will be the skirt of the doll. Now I am taking this bottle. The diameter is 1.5 inches and I am wrapping some pipes around this to make a ring. So I will continue this by adding some more pipes. I will add total 6 pipes to create this ring. So it's done. Now secure the end. So ring is ready. Now I will open this ring slowly using my fingers. Add glue inside this and let it dry for some time. Now I will connect the lower body of the doll using glue like this. And now I will connect this ring dome with this skirt. So just add glue and connect with this so that it can stand easily. Now I am taking this piece of newspaper which measures 10 by 10 cm. I am folding this diagonally, cut the triangle and I am making some small cones using these triangles like this. Secure the end and just cut the upper part of triangle to make it flat. In the similar way I have created some more triangles. Now take your doll again and I will connect these cones in the bottom part. I have secured this skirt using some masking tape. so that it will be formed in one place and it will be steady. So I am just adding some glue and connecting these cones one by one. So continue this till the end. So it's done. Is it looking pretty? Now I am taking some pipes. This is 10 centimeter long pipe. I just cut the long pipe in 10 centimeter part. So I will add these newspaper pipes between each cone from top to bottom, like this. So it's done. Now I will wrap one pipe around her waist. Cut excess and secure the end. Similarly, I will wrap one pipe on top part of the waist. Like this. Now I am taking some pieces of tissue papers and taking mixture of water and glue and adding these tissue paper pieces around her neck, face and hands, and also on waist to make it smooth and steady. So it's done. Now I'm taking black acrylic color and coloring all her body parts with this black color. For the hands, leave that lower area for the gloves. So the black coloring is done. Now I will color her top with aqua blue color and the skirt with pearl red and magenta color. So I have added the yellow color on her belt and I am adding now this aqua blue color on her gloves. So the coloring part is done. Now I am taking one more pipe of newspaper and wrapping this around the stick to make a tight coil of the newspaper pipe. Like this. So continue this by adding some more pipes till the desired size. So here I am adding total 6 pipes to make a big tight coil. So it's done. Secure the end using glue. Now I will open the middle part using my fingers and flatten the side part like this. Here I am making the hat for the doll. Do it very slowly and carefully. Now add little glue inside this. Spread this using brush and let it completely dry. I have colored the hat using yellow color from outer side and orange color from inner side. You can use any other color combination. And now I will connect the hat with the doll. So just add glue on top and connect her hat. Wow, it looks nice. I have created this small tiny purse by just cutting the piece of cardboard in rectangle and one piece of triangle shape and added one newspaper pipe for the handle and colored this bag. So I will give her bag. So the doll is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.